Hey guys, it's Eric and this is my review of the Everywhere bag from Away. It comes in a few different color options as you can see here. You can get it in either black, navy, coast, which is the color that I have, green, asphalt, and sand. You also have the options to customize it with 3-letter stitching as well on both the front and back side of the bag. In terms of dimensions, the Everywhere bag measures in at 16.3 by 10.2 by 7.3 inches. And for the capacity and weight, the Everywhere bag has 20 liters of carrying capacity and weighs in at 2.75 pounds with the shoulder strap and 2.25 pounds without it. The body of the Everywhere bag is composed of a water-resistant nylon material with some leather on the handle and shoulder strap as well. On one side of the exterior, there is a trolley sleeve that lets the bag attach to your luggage trolley handle. On the same side, you have a zippered laptop compartment that can fit a laptop up to 15 inches in size. On the other side, you have a zipper compartment that can be used to store your smaller items that you may need quick access to. With how well it blends into the bag, you could use this area as a security pocket as well, for items like your wallet or passport for example. Moving on to the main interior compartment of the bag, there is a detachable key clip if you need to secure your keys to the interior of the bag. There is also a zipper compartment above it that is spacious enough for medium-sized items. In front of that, there are 2 sleeve pockets that can be used to store any items that you may need easy access to. On the other side of the interior, you have a larger slip pocket and also a mesh water bottle holder. Obviously, you don't have to use it exclusively as a water bottle holder, but that is its intended purpose. I can't forget to mention about the main storage compartment itself, which is where you would store your main larger items. Alright, so here are my overall impressions of the Everywhere bag. From a build quality perspective, I thought Away did a good job here. No real manufacturing flaws that I could point out, so no complaints from me in terms of the quality control and construction of the bag. In terms of the design and look of the bag, I'm a fan of all the color options that they have to offer. Like other Away products, they have a very unibody and minimal design to them, which works very well if you prefer something with a simple aesthetic that's not trying too hard to get people's attention. Now for the storage itself, this can be used specifically as a travel bag if needed. It's small enough to be considered a personal item when flying and can be stored underneath an airplane seat. If you aren't traveling though, this makes a good everyday bag as well. You can use it when going to work or even as a gym bag for example. It's a good multi-purpose bag that can be used for a variety of different functions and activities. Overall, I'll wrap this one up by saying it's a great bag if you want an alternative to a backpack. It can be used everywhere like the name suggests. Plus, since it's an Away product, you know you're already getting good quality with it as well. If you're a fan of Away, then this would be another great addition for your collection. Whether you get the Everywhere bag or not is up to you. I'm just here to inform you from my perspective. Alright, that's it from me today. My name is Eric. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm out.